Hi, welcome back to Miss Allison's Kitchen. I'm doing today Kids Cook for the summer 2022, and we are doing a camping theme this summer. So I had an idea that possibly I could cook by the campfire, and we could make s'mores, and we could add different things to them. And I thought it would be a great idea, some ideas to do at home and by the fire. So today I'm not going to be by the fire, but maybe a little bit I can start the fire up outside. We'll see. But either way, you can put what I'm making today directly in the fire, or you can cook it in the oven. And that's what I'm going to do today. So I preset my oven to 350 degrees, and I have all the fixings for s'mores. And I even have some gluten-free, dairy-free chocolate today. So that's a good thing too if you're going to be using chocolate in your s'mores. I mean, you can do it without. You can actually make a s'more without the chocolate, just marshmallow and graham cracker. And I also found some gluten-free, dairy-free vanilla wafers that I thought maybe I would try too. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so the first s'more I'm going to make is traditional. So what I'm going to be doing is wrapping up these s'mores and putting them in the oven on a cookie sheet. So I'm going to start with some chocolate. I don't think it matters which way you put it in. And add the marshmallow right on top. Add another graham cracker on the top of that. And I am going to put it right in front so you can see it. And I am just going to wrap that up in a little tin foil package. Now I took some tin foil and I did strips and I made them just the right size to wrap up these cute little s'more packages. So there's one, and that's the regular s'more, the one that we all know and love. And then I have, for number 2, I am going to be doing a peanut butter chocolate marshmallow s'more. So I'm going to start out with a little bit of peanut butter on the graham cracker, spread it on like so, and add that marshmallow. And this is the greatest thing because it just sticks right on there. And you can choose to do it with chocolate or without chocolate. I'm just going to put a little square of chocolate on top. And I am going to grab another graham cracker and put that on top. And wrap that up. So that's the peanut butter chocolate marshmallow s'more. Yum, yum, yum. There's the number 2 package. And let's do another idea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a graham cracker, once again. And I'm going to pour, well, you know what? Maybe what I'll do is, this is kind of like the idea of the Samoa, although I don't have any coconut today, but this is the idea of Samoa. So you're going to start with the chocolate, you're going to add your marshmallow, and you're going to just pour just a little bit of caramel sauce on top, like that. Ooh. And then you're going to add your top, and you're going to wrap that one up. Now, I did a little bit of trial on this because I wanted to see how long they actually took to cook. And really, they probably take about 4 minutes in a 350 degree oven. So I am going to put these in the oven. Let's see if we can figure out which one's which when we get them out of the oven. I should mark them, right? But we'll see when we get them out. We'll be able to smell and see which are which. And another idea, which I forgot, is I have those gluten-free, dairy-free vanilla wafers for my grandson. And I'm gonna put a half of a marshmallow on it with a little bit of chocolate on top of that. Let me just break off this. Now he's dairy-free also, so I have the dairy-free chocolate. I'm gonna take that and put that on there and make just like a little mini s'more. I think this is a great idea too. If you just feel like having a s'more and you don't want to go through the trouble of you don't want to eat that much. You just want to have a little snack. So I'm gonna take that and wrap that one up too. Now we'll definitely know which one that is. And hopefully in a little bit he'll come and try this out. I'm not sure, I think he just likes the marshmallows mostly, but we'll see. Oh, that was my dog. I don't know what's up. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in the oven for probably about 4 minutes. Then I'm gonna take them out and see if they're done. See you in a bit. Okay, so here they are, my little packages. I actually ended up putting them in for 5 minutes to see, because I checked it and it wasn't quite melted all the way. So I'd say about 5 minutes in the oven. Ooh, this is the caramel one. It looks like it's kind of stuck on the tin foil. Oh wow, this looks really good. Oh my goodness. You could even save these and put them in the microwave and heat them up. That would be so great. There's that, you can see the caramels kind of oozing out of there. It looks really good. And oh, let's see if I can tell. Oh, this is the peanut butter one. Peanut butter chocolate. Who doesn't love peanut butter and chocolate? Oh, okay. This one looks delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's getting all over my fingers though. I think I need to let it cool off a little bit longer. Luckily I have some paper towels hidden down here. Okay, so that's that one. And this is just a regular old run-of-the-mill, delicious s'more. Oh, who doesn't love s'mores? You know, the thing is that when you cook it on the fire, when you're toasting your marshmallows, you get that crispy crunch on the edge of them. And if you like them burnt, it's even better. So this looks really good too. Oh my goodness, so chocolatey. So like I said, 5 minutes in 350-degree oven, and you have homemade s'mores without even going by the campfire. So you can do this. You can wrap them up, put them on the campfire, and cook them for probably less than 5 minutes. I would say probably like maybe 2 minutes on the fire. Or you could toast your marshmallows like you would normally, put them on top of your graham cracker, add the toppings, close it up, and eat it. It just sounds great. Oh, and here is the little one that I just made. Oh, this is so cute. It's got everything on it, and it's just a little bite-sized treat. So definitely try it with vanilla wafers too. I am going to let these cool down a little bit, and I'm gonna go find my grandson and see if he'll try one of these, okay? And I'll see you in a few minutes. Loxley, is it good? Mm-hmm. Loxley approved. All right, yummy.